Hello everyone. By using this module, user can easily upload their letterhead as a report header and footer template in the settings itself. Now let's get into the settings. After installing this module, we can see an option to upload a PDF format for an report template for all the model. Now, here in this, you can see a default report template which will be default in Odoo. In addition to that, we have added another field. So this will be an own report template where we can see an option to upload the letterhead and templates. Okay, over here I'm going to upload header and footer PDF. So now I'm going to save this. Once we have uploaded this will be the header format for all the things, all the PDF formats that we have. So for example, let's get into an invoicing. Now I'm going to create a new one. So for example, I'm going to create one order. So in this, if I try to print the invoice, so over here you can see the format will be like this. And in case if I need to print an invoice without payment print, you can see the same format over there too. So not only here, you can see the same model in sales, purchase, and what else it will be. So you can see all those PDF format will be same. In this way, you can make use of this module to add an header and footer format easily. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.